Molecular formulas are formulas that might represent what is found in nature. Empirical formulas are just kind of the lowest whole number ratio of the atoms in the formula. And all we have to do is just find the least common number. C6H12 cyclohexane could be, this 6 could be divided by 6 to give a subscript of 1. 12 divided by 6 gives a subscript of 2. So CH2 would be the empirical formula for C6H12. And in all of the rest of these, they can be divided by 2 to find the empirical formula for each one of these other compounds. This one's vitamin C, this one's caffeine, and this one is LSD, the drug. If we wanted to look at the structural formula for cyclohexane, it's cyclo means it's in a cyclic structure, a ring structure. In reality, it's in kind of a bent share configuration. This right here just basically represents the carbons that are participating. A couple of things I would like to point out. Notice that each carbon has bonds, 4 bonds. That would give it the stable outer octet. And remember, hydrogen only needs one more electron to get happy, and it gets that. Each one of these dashes represents 2 electrons shared. So this is a very happy structure. This is a structural formula for the cyclohexane molecule.